I am done. I hope you will enjoy. The title is Who I Am. I'm done, name given by my parents. A very honest boy. I'm the boy, time for everything. A good time management, that is done. A very hardworking boy. Courage boy like a lion. A bright boy like a lion, because I know one day, one time, I will have leadership like a lion. A boy who has focus and determination in his life. A boy who knows where he is heading to. I am a Christian boy, saved by God. Boy who likes dwelling in the church for blessing. A refugee boy from his own country. A forgiving boy, ready to forgive. A boy who always respects himself, talented in playing football. I am the boy who is fearfully and wonderfully made before the eyes of God.